Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a DIY decorations for a baby shower. And this particular baby shower was kind of like that royal prince theme with the blues and the golds. Let's start with the name boxes, and what you're going to need is the boxes, of course. You're going to need some wrapping paper, spray paint for the letters, some tape, the letters of course, and then this is some spray adhesive. So you're just going to assemble your boxes and tape them up like such. Then I'm going to take that spray adhesive and I'm going to spray the entire surface of the box, and I'm going to just start wrapping the boxes as if you were wrapping like a Christmas gift. So as if you were wrapping Christmas gifts. And this is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys see how we wrapped our boxes. finishing up with our boxes. We did 12 boxes in total, and we did use about 5 different wrapping papers, so that was a task. It was not fun. And now we're just gonna move on to our letters. So I got these letters from Michaels, and these are the chipboard letters by Recollection, and they were, each letter was $1.99, and I did use the 40% off coupon that Michaels always has, so I got each letter for about $1.19. And I did like these letters because they were pre-cut. It's just easier to work with. So we're using the Rust-Oleum spray paint in, I believe, True Gold, and then the blue one is like a brilliant blue. So we let the letters dry for about a day or so before we glued them to the boxes.
Then we got the E and N. Then we got the R and H. Then we got the blue. The I, C, E, Y, K.
So after the letters dried, we're gonna go ahead and place them onto the box. I used some craft glue, which was kind of similar to like regular like school glue. It held up pretty good. It was okay. I think like in the future I probably would try something different, but it did hold up pretty good. The letters stayed on there for the event, so that was good. So now I'm like not measuring or anything. I'm kind of just eyeballing it to make sure that it's centered. So I just really eyeballed it to make sure that each letter was centered. And then like while the glue dried, we kind of like place different items on top of the boxes to just hold the letter down, because when the letters dried after spray painting them, they kind of dried a little funky, like they kind of like curled up a little bit, if that makes sense. Like you guys can kind of tell it's not like completely flat for some reason. So we did put something on top of it while the glue was drying to kind of keep it as flat as possible. So after the letters dried on the boxes, this is the finished product, and it turned out pretty good. So moving on to the centerpieces, we used this ribbon that I got from Michaels, the bowls that I got from Walmart, some balloon sticks, the balloons that already had like the dots, confetti on it already, and then the tool which I got from Walmart and Michaels as well. So basically you just want to go ahead and blow up your balloons, and then you're going to attach your balloon sticks to the balloon, so it has like that piece that attaches to the balloon. Then you stick your balloon stick in there, and we did cut our balloon sticks down a little bit because we didn't want the centerpieces to be too tall. So, but yeah, you could just leave it whatever size you need it to be. If you need to cut it down again, or leave it as long as it comes, completely up to you. So now I'm gonna wrap the tool around the balloon and just affix it to my liking. Then you're going to also need some balloon ribbons. My mom's taking the balloon ribbon and she's going to tie that around to hold that tool in place. And then once she ties it, she's going to take the scissors to like curl the part of the ribbon that's hanging. And then I'm just cutting off the extra tool here. Then now we're going to stick it back in there. And then here she's going to take the scissors to curl that the string that's hanging. And now we're taking these DIY vase fillers and filling the vase up with these DIY vase fillers. So we're gonna rewind here and show you guys how we DIY these vase fillers. So we just took some regular pinto beans and just spray painted them the color that we needed them to be, so whatever color you need. So we just spray painted some gold and some blue with that same Rust-Oleum spray paint that we used on the letters. And we would just spray paint into the box. We put the pinto beans into a box. We would just spray paint into the box, shake it up, spray paint, shake it up, spray paint, shake it up, repeat. And that's pretty much it. And they actually turned out really, really good. Very cheap, inexpensive DIY vase fillers.
Blue beans, we got the blue beans, we got the golden bling beans. I want to have these beans when they're done with these.
So now back to the centerpieces, and now I'm just placing this bowl like right in the center on that tool and right in the center of that balloon ribbon. Okay, so that's that so far. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing, but with the balloon with the blue dots, and then the gold tool. So now we're going to wrap a piece of ribbon around the vase, and then we're going to hot glue a bow to that piece of ribbon, and then our centerpieces will be complete.